In this video, I will show you how to join Shein affiliate program. So first of all, you have to open up a web browser of your choice and simply search for Shein affiliate program. Now from here, you have to tap on the official link that is for the affiliate program. Now on the website's main interface, you will see two options. You can either sign up or sign in. So you very simply have to tap on sign up. Now you have to use either your email or your phone number. So I will simply tap on continue with Google and use my Google account to join the affiliate program. You should always select that account which is already associated with your Shein application. So I will simply select that account and log into my account. Now tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, you have to tap on accept. Now you will be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. So you very simply have to checkmark the option and tap on accept. Once you tap on accept, you will be able to easily join the Shein affiliate program. Now you have to link either your Instagram application, your TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube or any other application on which you have the most followers. Once you link your account, you will be able to easily work as an affiliate for Shein application. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.